There, sweetie. Here. Want some of them? Huh? You want some of those marshmallows? Here, honey. You want some marshmallows? Come here. You want some marshmallows? Oh, come here. Some marshmallows? Huh? Badger. He's so pretty. You're huge. You're almost 2 years old. Hi, honey. Hey, Badger. Oh, there's Badger. Hi, honey. You want some marshmallows? Hi, Badger. Hi. I love you. I love you, honey. There's Badger. Oh. Oh, I love you. This is Tama with Badger. I love him so much. Oh, look at you. Snooping around. He's so big. He's huge. Badger, you're so beautiful. I love you so much. Hi. Hi, honey. This is Tom and Badger. Oh, he's eating cat chow now. Hi, sweetie. Hi. Oh, I just love him so much. Oh, this is January 10th, 2021. There's my big boy, Tom and Badger. Hi, Badger. Hi, honey. Come here. He's so shy. All right, well, this is Tom and Badger signing off. I'll let him eat. I love him so much. Signing off.